Hi, my name is Marilyn and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba AP-635. The 600 series is the latest range of Wi-Fi 6E capable access points from Aruba. These access points are capable of operating in the newly opened 6 GHz spectrum in addition to the traditional 2.4 and 5 GHz. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have a startup guide and safety, warranty and compliance documentation. AP-635 is the mid-range model AP, but it's a bit bigger and heavier than its predecessor as it needs to support the third 6 GHz radio. There is nothing else in the box. On the front, you can see the removable sticker with your serial number. On the bottom, there are 4 LED status lights, indicating system status and the status for each of the 3 radios. On the top here, there is a USB port which can be used to connect downstream devices like a 4G modem. And over here, there's a Kensington lock socket. Let's turn the AP around. On the back, you can see the bottom part of the mounting bracket which is pre-installed. This bracket is the same as the ones used on the Aruba AP-500 series. The top part of the mounting brackets are separately orderable SKUs. Check out our AP-500 series indoor mounting brackets video for more details. Towards the top here, there's a micro USB console port. You will need a separately orderable proprietary console cable in order to use it. In here is the reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. The power adapter socket and 2 Ethernet ports are recessed on the side, making it possible to mount the unit more flushed with the ceiling. Do note that the power adapter is not included with the AP. You'll have to order it separately if required, but it's easier to power the unit using PoE. Both ports E0 and E1 are smart rate, which means the AP is capable of supporting up to 2.5 gig data rate and PoE at the same time. You can configure these ports in a link aggregation group and cross-connect 2 separate switches to provide additional throughput and hitless failover both for data and power. And there you have it. If you found the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!